How to recover Spotify account without email address. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. If you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Now the first step that you need to do is to open Google Chrome, then go to the search, then search for support.spotify.com, then tap on enter. So you are going to click on the first link, then it will land you here on this page. Then once you are here, you are going to tap on manage your account. Then you are going to see the list under manage your account. So we have login, profile help, account settings and security. So tap on account settings. Then this will appear. So here under account settings, you are going to tap on change your email address. Then it will land you here on this page. So you need to scroll down. Then once you are here, you are going to see don't recognize the email address. If you think your email address changed without your permission, see think your account has been hacked. So you are going to tap on that link, think your account has been hacked. So tap on it. So once you are here, you are going to scroll down. Then under can't access your account, you are going to tap on that drop down arrow. Then you are going to see get in touch. So you need to tap on that link. So as you can see here, send a message. So here you are going to message an advisor who is going to respond to your questions. So just tap on start messaging. Then as you can see, we can help you better if you are logged in. So here you can log in if you wish, and if you do not wish, just tap on no thanks. Then here you can now write your problem. You can now chat with an advisor from Spotify. So once you have explained to the advisor your problem, hopefully he's going to reply to your messages and you are going to recover your Spotify account. So that's really it, guys. That's how to recover Spotify account without email address. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.